Tired of your carefully crafted symbols looking like they've been through a funhouse mirror? Let's dive into the correct ways to resize symbols in Adobe Animate, ensuring your animations stay crisp and professional. First, select the symbol instance you want to resize on the stage. Grab the free transform tool from the tools panel. It looks like a rectangle with transformation handles. Now, head over to the properties panel and find the transform section here. You can precisely control the scale percentage for both width and height and check the constrain proportions icon to adjust the width and height independently or keep it checked to maintain the original aspect ratio while resizing. Another method is to go to Modify in the top menu, then Transform, and choose Scale and Rotate. A dialog box appears where you can enter a scaling percentage. Again, pay attention to the constrain option. You can also resize directly on the stage by dragging the handles of the bounding box around the selected symbol, but be careful. Holding down the Shift key while dragging will maintain the proportions, preventing unwanted stretching. One last tip: check your anti-aliasing settings in the Properties panel under Display for crisp results, especially with scaled vectors. Experiment with setting it to Advanced rather than Classic. And that's it. Now you can confidently resize your symbols, keeping them looking fantastic in all your Animate projects. Subscribe for more animation tips and tricks.